In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the eBay product research tool. If you're trying to figure out what's selling, for how much, and how often, eBay's built-in research tool is your best friend. We'll move through the interface together so you can quickly check demand and pricing before you list an item. Start on the eBay homepage and select the Sell option at the top. This takes you into eBay's Seller Hub, where all the selling tools live. If you don't see the full dashboard immediately, give the page a second to load. Once it does, you'll notice a navigation bar specific to sellers. In that seller navigation, hover your mouse over the research section. Don't click yet, just hover. A small menu will open with research options. This is where eBay keeps its analytics features, so you can make data-driven listing decisions instead of guessing. From that menu, choose Product Research. This opens eBay's Product Research workspace, which is designed to help you analyze real marketplace results. Think of it as a snapshot of what buyers have been paying and how many items are actually moving. In the search bar, type your keywords. You can use a product title, a brand and model, or even a manufacturer part number, often called an MPN, if you want very precise results. The more specific you are, the cleaner your data will be. If you're not sure of the exact wording, start broad and refine from there. Quotation marks can help tighten a phrase, and adding color or size can separate very similar items. Just above or near the results area, select the time filter labeled Last 7 days. This tells the tool to focus on very recent activity, which is great for spotting current trends and avoiding outdated prices. If you need a wider or narrower window, choose the range that best fits your research. Short windows like 7 or days highlight what's hot right now. Longer windows, such as 30 or knee days, smooth out short-term spikes and reveal more stable averages. Pick what matches your goals, especially if your item is seasonal. When your keywords and time frame are set, click the research button to pull the data. You'll see metrics such as sold prices, average price, so total items sold, and other indicators that reveal demand and competition. Look for consistent sale prices, not just one high outlier. Notice listing titles, item specifics, and condition notes that appear in results similar to yours. These details often explain price differences. If results feel too broad, refine your keywords. If they're too thin, zoom out your time range. And that's it. You've navigated to Seller Hub, opened the product research tool, entered focused keywords, set a time frame, and run the report. Use these insights to price confidently and choose items with real demand. Thanks for watching and happy researching.